again. We're headed north to Sheffield Park. Off to go rip. Last time I was there, it went pretty good. That's where I shot the without ND video. But yeah, let's go rip. Alright, so we made it to Sheffield Park. I'm with this kid again. He's got his longboard on my little thing, but this is a really, really nice park. There's a few disc golfers over there, but I don't think they're gonna bother us. I think it'll be a nice time to fly here. It's big and open like the last spot, you notice. Just gotta watch out for that water. Alright, so we made it to the spot. It's the same as last time, this area, but it's a little bit more lush than last time. This tree's fallen over, it should be good to rip. My friend went somewhere over there, but I'm gonna start the rip. That's the end of this extremely short vlog for today. I was flying and then this happened right here. It broke the arm, but what can you do? Oh well. I'm still probably gonna remake this vlog, so be expecting one sooner than next Thursday. So yeah, onward and upward. I'm just gonna post it anyways and call it vlog 3.5.